Just wanted to do a quick video today to show how we do our stoppers for our braces known as AFOs. You can see right here is a little tiny piece of tubing, and it's 3/16 of an inch thick, and we put it into the bottom part of our plantar flexion stop because it will help to reduce noise as these two pieces come together. So I'm just going to give this to you and just let's illustrate to everyone how it stops the noise. If you don't have that there, then it can start to click, and although the walking AFO is great in its function, it can be annoying sometimes with the click. So we've just gotten rid of that problem for our upcoming patient.